Hey guys, what's up? And today I'll be teaching you on how to give your doll a beach wave. So I'm gonna start by braiding her hair. I'm gonna take a section right here carefully, and to the other side. And I'm gonna braid it right here, down forward. And when you're done, I'm gonna use a piece of fabric to roll it over because I can use some rubber bands or hair rubber bands because it will fill up when you use warm water. Make sure you tie it tight. And carefully pour some hot water. Carefully. Okay. We will wait for like 10 minutes to okay, so we will wait for like 10 minutes and we will dry it out. And after that, we're gonna dry her hair with some towel. Carefully drape her over and carefully attach the towel to her hair. Like that. And when it seems that the water is done, we're gonna wait for like 1 hour to consistency and to really the braid of her hair will make it firmer, and of course it will give the curl or the beach wave hair. So we will wait for like 1 hour. I'm just gonna place her like right here. Oops. Okay, the long wait is over. Right now we are going to have a big reveal. I'm sure this will really work because I waited for like 2 hours, so we will see. So I'm gonna pull up, and yay, it worked! Rose was so pretty. Okay, here's the right. Okay. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, okay guys? That's it for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network. And of course, you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course don't forget to subscribe. See you next time to our next video. See you guys, bye.